The concept of passive income is a myth. Even forms of income traditionally considered passive, such as real estate, require effort and maintenance. Hey guys, my name is Charlie, and you are watching Guys for Techs. True income generation involves leverage, which can take the form of systems or teams. To achieve leverage, one must invest time and effort up front. The most valuable asset for an entrepreneur is their time. Leverage allows for the delay of future work, but it is not a permanent solution. When starting a business, the entrepreneur's time is not worth much. As they build leverage, their time becomes more valuable. The two main types of leverage are systems and teams. A network can also be a source of leverage, but it is less important in the early stages of a business. To accomplish passive income, one should focus on building systems and teams. The first step to achieving passive income is to learn a skill. After learning a skill, the individual should apply leverage to that skill. The most important skill depends on the chosen business model. For an e-commerce business, the skill is finding winning products. For an online agency, the skill is sales. In the first 6 months, the individual should focus on learning and mastering this skill. After mastering the skill, the individual should begin to apply leverage. Hiring a team is the most powerful form of leverage. Cheap VAs, contractors, interns, or employees can help buy back time. Over time, the goal is to build an amazing team, which is the truest form of passive income. True passive income is achieved when the team can operate independently and generate profits. A profit share model is often more effective than an equity model. Achieving passive income takes time, effort, and dedication. It may take several years to build a successful business and enjoy passive income. Building a strong foundation of leverage is essential for creating passive income. To achieve passive income, one must focus, put in the work, and build systems and teams. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. I see you next time.